Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 29. Be part of a local dads network.
For many men, their role as a father can be a very lonely existence, especially if they don't have a strong relationship with their own father or family. It is often of great benefit just to be able to have someone with which to talk issues through. This can make all the difference to a man and relieve some of the stress that comes with raising a family. For this reason, I would encourage you to seek to become part of a local dads group or network within your area. Being able to spend time with like-minded men can be incredibly encouraging, as we often go through many similar challenges, and it is good to know that we are not the only one facing these situations. A local dads network or men's group can be very rewarding if you are able to find men who are going in the same general direction as you and wanting to be the best dads they can be in life. Although initially it can be a little intimidating for men to open up and discuss the issues they may be facing, I have found that once the element of trust is established within the group, all can benefit from the experience. In most successful dads groups, this trust is established by a strong element of acceptance within the group, and a realization that the members will probably have differing opinions on a number of subjects. I believe that it is important to find men that you can relate to, or a group that you can feel part of, as it is often only these types of groups that can really benefit you in your role as a father. Another element of many successful dads groups is the opportunity for each person to be able to express an opinion, as most dads learn best through an open exchange of ideas. Often these groups can also benefit by getting together at social functions or picnics with their families, and to relax and enjoy each other's company.
Suggested action.
Seek to become part of a local dads group of like-minded men, as the experience can be very rewarding for you and your family.
Scripture references.
2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 2. And the things that you have heard from me among many witnesses, commit these to faithful men who will be able to teach others also.
Father's testimony.
Something that is very important to me as a man is to live a life that matters, to influence people, and to make a difference. But something that's even more important to me is being the hero of my home. I will not sacrifice my family on the altar of success. To be known by all, but unknown by my family is a failure in my mind. This drives me as a man and dad each and every day, as I am making decisions on who and what is going to get my time. At home, that's the place I want to make the most difference. Matthew, West Georgia, USA.